if you can make it to Japan, this is the generic trip that everybody does, and you probably should too. Number one, you're gonna go to Tokyo, okay? And you're gonna land in Haneda, okay? If you're gonna land in Narita, you're gonna travel 3 hours just to get to Tokyo. So you're gonna go to Haneda, because Haneda's already in Tokyo. So it'll take you like an hour to get to wherever you need to go. Then you're gonna go to Shibuya, okay? Shibuya is like the Times Square of Japan. You're gonna go there, you're gonna take a picture of the dog, you're gonna go across the crossing, you're gonna look at the Starbucks, you're gonna look at all this fun stuff, and then you're gonna go eat some Western food because it's just so overwhelming. I don't know, I can't get sushi and blah blah blah. You're gonna end up going to McDonald's or Shakey's or whatever like that, okay? It's okay. It's okay to eat Western food. You know, Japanese food makes Western food. You know, it just doesn't taste as good, but you should try it and try some different menu items like Wendy's and KFC and McDonald's. They all have different kinds of stuff there, so it's worth checking that out. Then after that, you're gonna go to Harajuku, okay? So Harajuku is like the cute street, you know, you're gonna take your girlfriend there, you're gonna have some fun, you're gonna get some poop ice cream, or you're gonna get some cotton candy that looks like a rainbow, get some Korean food, you're gonna go check out, I don't know, they do have like a rotate, you're gonna get some crepes, like if you came from Paris, you're gonna get some crepes there anyway, so you get some more crepes in Harajuku, so get some of that, and you're gonna check out some other kawaii stuff, and Harajuku's a great place for your girl, or if you like that kind of stuff, it's cool. Okay, and then of course, you're gonna go to Akiba, right? Akihabara, you know, the anime place, okay? You're gonna walk out, you're gonna see like the cool waifus everywhere, you're gonna be like, hey, this is great, I love it, oh, ooh, wee, I really love it, it's really great, all this anime waifu, Genshin Impact, all that kind of stuff. You're gonna go to a maid cafe, you're not gonna film inside the maid cafe, because those places are actually quite linked to some dark associations, so don't break the rules when you go to the maid cafes. Enjoy the cringe, enjoy the fun, enjoy the shaka shaka gyum gyum. Okay, enjoy that shit. After that, you're gonna walk down, you're gonna go to Carl's Jr. and you're like, I bet this is dope. And then after that, there's nothing else there. There's nothing else. So maybe you can go to the Kanda Shrine where they have like the Love Live, where Love Live was and stuff like that. You could probably check that out. But Akiba, 100%, go and check that place out. Just don't be a creep. Oh yeah, there's no more Gundam Cafe. So no, you're not going to Gundam Cafe. You're not going to go to Final Fantasy. Oh, actually, they do have a Final Fantasy Cafe, so you can check that out. So then you're going to go to Shinjuku, you're going to get lost in the station, and then when you finally get out, you're going to see, oh, this place is kind of mid. There's actually nothing really to do here. So you wait till nighttime, you go to Kabukicho. Okay, so Kabukicho is the red light district, okay? They got some cool stuff. They got like a movie theater, they got Godzilla, they got the Nigerian mans who come and harass you at night. What you want to do tonight? You want to go see some titis tonight? Come out. Do not go with them. Just say that, hey, I was driving, so they can't offer you to go. So just be careful, people approach you. Well, other than that, you have fun time. Go drink some drinks for like 500 yen and then get cover charge for 700 yen. And then you'll pay like $20 for a single drink. But I would recommend getting a Yamazaki 12 age. Oh my God, 12 age Yamazaki. It's like $40 a shot, but it's 100% worth it. And then you could also, like, you know, stay out all night. You go to karaoke till like 5 a.m. Costs like $20. Well, yeah, there's one thing you should do for drinking in Japan. If you drink, and if you don't drink, I'm sorry, you're gonna like miss out on a bunch of 70% of the activities in Japan. You have all you can drink there. So like $15 plus cover charge, plus existence charge, plus whatever. Maybe like $30. All you can drink, alcohol. Go in, go ham, enjoy your time, enjoy your stay. Then you can go to Asakusa. You're gonna go to this big red temple. You're gonna walk down this very, very crowded street. You're gonna have a lot of fun there. And then you're gonna do the praying, you're gonna do the incense, you're gonna do some little Japanese stuff. Omikuji, do the fortune cookie, basically. It's basically a fortune cookie. You do some stuff, you're gonna wash your hands, you're gonna do all that fun stuff. And you're gonna enjoy some culture stuff. So enjoy the culture stuff when you're in Tokyo at Asakusa. So if you have the money and time, you can head all the way to Kansai. So you can take a Shinkansen, a bullet train for like $150 or something like that. You're gonna go there, you're gonna go to Osaka. So you're gonna land in Osaka, and you're like, oh, wahoo-wee, this place looks just like Tokyo, but it's low-key a little bit better. You're gonna go there, you're gonna walk around, it's gonna be super hot, depending when you go. And you're like, I bet. You check it out, you go to Dotonbori. So Dotonbori is like a big food street. You can see giant food everywhere. You're gonna be like, wow, this is so great. You're gonna get some takoyaki, octopus balls, some okonomiyaki, pay to cook your own food. And then you're also gonna go to American Village, where it's just like Harajuku, but I guess American, and they have really good balls there as well. And then you can take a picture in front of some marketing by Glico. Yes, the guys who invented Pocky. You got to do that. You had to do that. And then you can see some weird street performers on that street too. So it might be really cool for you to check that out in Osaka. And then you can go drink at night. Because remember, guys, 70% of activities in Japan are drinking. I'm sorry. That's just what it is. Then you're going to embrace some more Japanese culture. You're going to go to Kyoto. You're going to go to Kiyomizu-dera. You're going to be super crowded. It's going to be super hot. You're going to go and do the same thing you did at Asakusa. You're going to have a lot of fun and then just enjoy the construction all around the temples. You're going to love it. Oh yeah, and they also have like the golden one, the King Kakuji. And that one's actually really nice. I actually like it. You might have seen it in a lot of anime. And if you want to fulfill your anime dreams, go ahead and check that out. Then you're going to go to Nara, and you're going to go to the only place in Nara, which is basically the big Buddha temple thing in the big garden. You look at it, you go, wow, that's so cool. And then these kids are going to come up to you, and they're going to be like, hey, can we ask you some questions for our school trip? We're going to ask, where are you from? You're going to get harassed by the little kids. They're going to ask you questions for the school project, and you're going to have a fun time. You're going to be like, oh my God, I got to speak Japanese. I got to speak Japanese. And speaking of Japanese, you really don't need it, especially if you're going to be traveling in big areas like Tokyo and Kansai. But if you decide to go to the countryside in the middle of nowhere like Saitama, there really is no English support there, so you might need a friend, or you might need to look on Rosetta Stone or something like that, learn hiragana, katakana, all that kind of stuff. And I think you'll be okay from there. And if you guys would like to learn some Japanese, I also teach Japanese on this channel. It's all free, and except for the Patreon stuff, you get like extra stuff on the Patreon for that. But other than that, guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn more about Japan and skits and fun stuff, please click here.